we are. We are approaching Bench Ranch. Big Buck Creek. Right over. And you'll see some of the homes are already built up here. Let's go out this side window here. Actually, that's our lot right up there. There's that treatment plant, Vicki. There's the clubhouse. And coming in the entrance. Over here. And it says Bench Ranch Daybreak. Let's see our beautiful sculpture here. Very nice. Ooh, there's a pretty house up there. Right here, if you turn right, you go down to the office and the clubhouse and everything is up that way. In progress right now. It's a beautiful breezy day as usual. Going up Upper Ridge Lane to our street. Live at the end of this, I mean, trash your house, run your dog over. And here's our street, Rough Rider Ridge. There's a couple more new neighbors. Property starting right here. Lot 22. And Lot 23. And pull all the way up there and we'll walk up the hill. As you can see, we don't have a driveway yet. Alright, I'm going to walk up on the view. Lock the door. It's going to sound very windy. It's always breezy up here. But I guess everybody digs out the rock and then they reuse it. Where's that property start? Right about here? What white stick? I see one on that side. See the view from the front of the house. And more than likely, right? Come in the front of the property. Stuff to clear out of here. Most of these trees are going to be not in a view shot. We'll keep it. Anyway, this will be the view from the front of the house, the garage. This is where the central part of the house will be, right about here. Going out this way will be the guest bedrooms. And there's a clubhouse way down there, and then here we'd be in the great room, and over on this side, back behind the garages, would be the master suite. So it'll be further out. So our view out of the master suite, off the patio, should be up here. Trees have to go. Anyway, that's the direction of Phoenix. It's Highway 69. And this is going up to Prescott. Alright. And this is a full 360. Yeah, a lot of this cactus is going to have to be ripped out. It's alright, we'll replant it. Catch you next time when I have something else to show you. Bye.